In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use files stored in Cloudinary in your app and how to upload files directly from your app to Cloudinary. Cloudinary is a cloud-based platform that can store digital media like images and videos for your app. To connect your Cloudinary account to your Thunkable project, copy the necessary keys from Cloudinary and paste them into your Thunkable project settings. Thunkable offers a default Cloudinary integration for testing, but your files will be deleted after 90 days, so we strongly recommend connecting your project to your own Cloudinary account to keep your media safe. Storing your media files in Cloudinary also frees up space so you can more easily stay within app size limits. Simply upload your files to Cloudinary, then click to copy the file's unique URL. To your Thunkable project screen, add the appropriate component for your file type. For example, if it were a video file, we'd add a video component. For a PDF, we'd use the PDF reader component, etc. This URL is for an image, so we'll add an image component to the screen, and instead of uploading the image directly to the project, we'll paste the image's Cloudinary URL. You can also upload files directly from your app to your Cloudinary account. Here on the screen, we have image, button, and label components. The final behavior we want to build is, when the user clicks the button, the device's camera app opens so the user can take a photo. The photo is displayed in the image component, and the file is saved to our Cloudinary account. Click the button name in the component tree, drag the When Button Take Photo click block, and drag it into the workspace. Click Camera under App Features and drag the Photo from Camera block into the workspace. Right-click on the block, select Show Advanced block, and connect it to the button click block. The advanced version of the Photo from Camera block has 3 outputs: Photo, Was Cancelled, and Error. Photo is the photo taken by the device's camera. Was cancelled indicates when the camera was closed without taking a photo, and Error signals when an error occurred. Click Control, drag the If Do Else block, and nest it within the Photo block. Drag the Error output block and place it next to If. Click the error label in the component tree, drag the Set Labels Text To block, and drop it next to Do. Drag the error output block and replace the pink label block. Click the image in the component tree, drag the Set Images Picture To block, and drop it next to Else. The Photo from Camera block activates the device's camera and takes a photo, so we could simply drag the photo output to complete this block combination. But because we want to save the photo for an extended period, we need to upload it to Cloudinary. For that, we use the Files blocks. These blocks can be used to upload any file type, for example, image, audio, video, PDF, etc. Drag the URL from uploaded file block and drop it next to the Set Images Picture To block. Let's test it with Thunkable Live. We'll take the photo using our device's camera, and let's take a look at Cloudinary. Nice, our photo was uploaded to our account. And just like that, we've used files stored in Cloudinary in our app and uploaded files directly from our app to Cloudinary. If you learned something new in this video, give it a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, innovation should have no limits.